Hi, I'm Paul Shannon. I'm a former professional boxer known as The Perfect Storm, and I also own a fitness business that emphasizes boxing and weight loss and nutrition coaching. So I use my arms, my shoulders, and I'm very active all the time. So I have sustained multiple injuries on my shoulders and all over my body. And so I found Trinity. I had been in chronic pain and I could barely move. I wasn't sleeping for about 2 months prior to my first treatment with Trinity. And after the first night of my injections right into my shoulder, I slept. I slept almost all the way through. The second night, I slept all the way through the night. And since then, I've been pretty much out of my initial tear pains that I've been feeling. It's just, I can't say enough about Trinity. It's been, the facility is crystal clean. The doctor, the spa is awesome, very warm and explains everything through the process. So I couldn't be more pleased with my results.